Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will talk about 2nd December 2021 IELTS exam prediction for academic module. So guys, in listening module part 1 you can expect Phillips type of question up to 2 words or a number, and in part 2 you can see short MCQs and then map completion, and here option will be provided. And in part 3 you can see large MCQs and match the information, and here you have to match the information with the options. And in part 4 you can see fill-ups with one word. Guys, overall listening will be easy, but the part 4 will be faster or a little bit tricky. And if we talk about the reading module, in reading module you can see passage 1 will be easier one, and here you can see true false not given type of question, and then fill-ups with one word only, and then selection of letter from the options. And in passage 2 you can see match the information, and here you have to select information from paragraph and then fill-ups up to 2 words and then MCQs. And this passage will be easy to moderate. And in passage 3 you can see match the information type of question, and here option will be provided, and then selection of letter 2 out from 5 options, and then yes, no and not given type of question, and this part will be moderate. And guys, overall reading will be easy to moderate. And guys, this prediction video is completely based on guesswork, and this might be coming in your IELTS exam, so do not completely depend on this prediction video. Do your practice as much as you can do. And if we talk about the writing module, in writing task 1 you can see topic related to bar, table, map or pie chart, or maybe a combination of any of two, and the level of writing will be moderate. And guys, in writing task 2 you can expect some topics related to exercise, family, technology, social issues. And task 2 can be discuss both views, opinion based essay, or maybe agree and disagree type of essay. And guys, if you find this video useful, then like, subscribe and share my channel.